You want to see how I move from this to this? You want to stick and stay? Yes, because it's gonna be good. But in the meantime, if you have not yet subscribed, click the subscription button below. Then you click the bell that says all. Leave a big fat thumbs up for this video, my people. Yes, and don't forget to share. Yes, so this is what you call the homemade, cold press, 100% organic avocado oil. Yes, so from this to this. Yes, but before I go any further, some benefits from using avocado oil at home. It nourishes and moisturizes your skin. And you know that avocado oil is a rich source of vitamin E. Yes, and you can also add it to your salads as well. For those with dry, inflamed skin, avocado oil is excellent for you. Avocado oil speeds up the healing of wounds. And if you have an inflammation on the skin, avocado oil can help with that also. Avocado oil also reduces the signs of aging. Yes, it's also excellent for your scalp. Avocado oil is also rich in antioxidants, especially lutein, that helps with the strengthening and the health of your eyes. So you would want to include avocado oil in your diet to support your eyes. Yes, beautiful eyes. Use your avocado oil. Now, avocado oil is also rich in healthy fats, and it does improve your cholesterol and your blood sugar levels and promote excellent heart health. So remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. Now I'm going to show you how to make your cold press 100% organic avocado oil at home. So let's go straight to it. So you will need your bowl, your avocados, your knife, your fork to crush it, and your spoon. Right? Then we will cut the avocado. Peel the skin off. And this avocado is known as Simmons. Yes, you have all different type of Simmons, and this is one type. Really big. Then I will take my fork and then I will proceed to crush the avocados. It's much easier to crush when you have it in a bowl. And as you can see right here, I am done crushing the avocado. Then you would want to get a tray, and then you will take the crushed avocado. Now you would want to use your spoon and pour it onto the tray. And you would want to make sure it is spread evenly. So this is what it should be looking like when you spread it onto the tray. And then we will now put this in a cool place for it to dry. So after 4 days, this is what it looks like. And to test how ready it is, if you use a spoon and rub onto it, you will see the oil on the back of the spoon and the avocado will not stuck to it. So that's how you test to see if it is ready to make the oil. So this shows you how dry it is. And if I rub it on my skin, you can see the oil. Yes? So that means it is ready. So we will scrape it. Alright, you will lift it off the tray and then get your cheesecloth. So after wrapping the avocado in the silk cloth, an easy way how to get it from the cloth is to press it against the container. Yes, so what I would do is to press it against it, and I will get my oil coming out nicely. Yes, so as you can see, I'm getting my oil right here. Yes, so I would press it against it, and you would see the oil coming out, running down. Yes, and there we have our oil. Excellent way how to get it out, quick and easy. Yes, and you would want to wrap the avocado in the silk wrap. You'd want to double the wrap about 2 to 3 times, so that you won't get the mixture being pushed out through the small holes. So after we are done squeezing the oil from the avocado, this is what it looks like. Yes, it can be squeezed together. And this is the amount of oil that I have gotten. So you don't want to be wasting any of it. So I will get my container, my little jar, and then I will pour in the oil. And here you have it, the avocado oil, rich and healthy. So stay tuned, stay connected for another awesome, informative, exciting country life video.